So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remap your keyboard keys. If your keyboard has a key which has gone bad, so how you can change that. So you need to open Microsoft Store. Here, search for PowerToys. Click on this page, press install. After the installation is done, you need to open the app. Or if you can't find the app like this, you can simply go here and search option and search the app. So maximize it. Here you need to locate keyboard manager, and here open settings and turn this on. After that, you need to go on here, this section. Here you need to go add key mapping. Here the first option you're choosing is the key you want to replace the old key, and the second option here is the key that is damaged or that's not working. For example, in my case, I am using the new key as number 9, and I am using the broken key as number 0. So if I press OK and continue it anyways, so my key will be relocated to the 0. That means that my 9 key will be located to 0. As you can see in the video, if I go to any search option here and press 9, I am actually pressing 9 here and it's showing as 0. So there you go. Remapping is done, and if you like this video, please subscribe.